Bringing hope the world over. Hope Channel.
Good morning and welcome to another exciting episode of our show where we start our day the good way. Healthy morning start. Sa lahat ng mga mommies, sa mga single ladies, or in general, sa lahat ng mga kababaihan, this episode is right for you kasi tuturuan namin kayo ng mga simple yet helpful routines na pwede nyo gawin at the convenience of your own house. So itong mga routines na ito is kung saan yung medyo you think problematic areas when it comes to women. Pero sa mga kalalakihan naman, huwag kayong magtampo because you will also benefit from this episode. We will help you combat aging, pati na rin ang katabaan. Naku, lahat na lang yata tayo kalaban yan. But to give us more insights about these exercises for women, stay put and let's watch this video.
Sa dami ng pinagkakabalahan sa araw-araw, madalas na ang mga kababaihan sa ngayon ay wala ng panahon para makapag-exercise. Sabi nga nila, mas mataas ang datos ng kababaihan nagkakasakit dahil sa kapaguran sa iba't ibang kadahilanan. Isa na riyan ay ang walang katapusang gawain sa kani-kanilang mga kabahayan, ang pag-asikaso sa kanilang mga anak, ang pagluluto, laba, paglilinis, pamamalansya, at ang obligasyon sa kanilang asawa. Niwala na halos panahon para sila'y makapag-ayos, lumabas at mag-exercise. Ang exercise ay talagang mabisang paraan para hindi mapagod at madaling mahapo sa mga pang-araw-araw na gawain sa bahay. Katulad na lamang ni Ate Merly na isang housewife, kanyang sinisigurado na mayroon siyang panahon sa paglilinang ng kanyang kalusugan. Tunghayan natin ang kanyang exercise routines.
Ang exercise napakahalaga sa akin sapagkat bata pa ako, talagang athletic ako. Ngayon, nung ako'y nag-aral hanggang nag-college, hanggang nagtrabaho, hindi ko inaalis at binibigyan ko ng time kahit busy-busy ako na magkaroon ng oras upang mag-exercise. Dahil alam ko na pag ako hindi nag-exercise, madali ako magkasakit. Kahit na napaka-busy ko, ako ay nasa payroll account, sa accounting. Nagpi-payroll ako, napaka-busy dyan talaga. At may anak akong dalawa, maliliit pa noon, no? College, elementary to college. Talagang sa bawat kanilang program, lahat nandyan din ako. Pero binibigyan ko pa rin talaga ng time ang pag-exercise dahil nanghihina ako. Parang wala akong lakas pag hindi ako napawisan, hindi ako nakatakbo, ganyan. At saka masigla at masaya ako ang feeling ko basta ako'y makapag-exercise o makapaglaro.
Ayan. Now that we know the common problems women face sa araw-araw nilang mga routines, tuturuan natin sila ngayon ng exercises na makakatulong sa pag-tone down ng kanilang pangangatawan. Alright, let's start. And with me and my fitness partners, I have here Ria and Heather to show you our exercise for women. And our first exercise is what we call the single leg deadlift. This exercise, we need a little balance here, but it's very good for our muscles, abdominals, and then yung legs natin. And to do this, we put our hands down, both hands, and then we lift our right leg up and try to make sure na straight sila, yung leg mo at saka yung body. And make sure na balance ka. You can bend your leg a little dito pag hindi nyo kaya para maging balance kayo. Okay? So, we'll try to do that for 2 sets or 16 counts. You ready, girls? Okay, and go to position. Raise your legs. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay? And now, yung next leg naman natin, we raise our left leg for the next exercise. Okay? Ready? Yung position natin. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So again, this exercise is very good sa tayo natin. And I know yung ibang mga women are very conscious of that. So that is a good exercise para sa mga kababaihan. The next exercise is yung side plank. We need a mat for this exercise, so you could get your yoga mat, exercise mat, whatever you need para maging convenient kayo when you are on the floor. So for side planks, we go to our mat. And for women, you could do yung half ulit, which I think we showed you. Your elbows will be the one supporting your body. And lift it on the sides, and yung hands will be extended up. You try to look your hands. Yung eyes nyo will be in your hands. Okay, this would be yung side plank. But if you can't do that, you could bend your knees, okay? And take yung, put yung weight ninyo on your knees, but not on your hip, na parang nakahiga na kayo. Okay? So for the side planks, you could do this half, or you could do the full extension. Then your hands up high, look at your palms. You ready? Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now let's go to the other side. Again, you could do the half plank with your knees, okay? Or you could do the full leg extension and upward. Okay, ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. The good thing about yung side planks is yung muscles niyo dito sa sides is yung na-focus. So, yun yung nababurn. And I know yung mga babae medyo conscious din yan when it comes to the side. So, the side plank is a very good exercise to target that. Okay? And next is, ito medyo mahirap but another exercise na maganda. This time, it would focus naman on yung arms ng mga babae. And this is yung push-ups. So, push-up position. Again, there will be two variations ng push-up. One is yung full extended, yung legs natin, and then we go down and up. Or, hindi nyo pa kaya, is yung half plank. So, yung knees natin, yung on the ground, not yung toes natin. So, you just go down and then up. And for this set, we'll just do 8 counts. But if you could do more, much better, para yun nga, you could burn more fat and mas matutone yung muscles natin on the arms. Okay? And ready, girls? In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Whew! So that is a very good exercise for women. And as you can see, pati ako lalaki, nakakakuha din ng magandang benefits doon. And the benefits of exercise, especially yung mga ganito, it helps us manage stress also. So malaki yung tulong niya for stress management. It also enhances our mood. So magagandang vibes. So yung tinatawag nga nila yung parang high once you finish on an exercise. So let's stand up for a few breathing exercises before we move on to the next exercise. Let's breathe. Hands on the sides and inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And last. Exhale. Okay, very good. And we'll move on to the next exercise. This is what we call the second position, plies. For this position, medyo parang squat siya, but we spread our legs apart. Hands on the sides. Okay, so yun yung starting position natin. So we move down and put our hands up, and then on the side, up, and then on the side. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple. And medyo, if you could do it a bit lower, para may exercise yung thigh natin. Like I mentioned, it's a bit one of the concerns ng women. So we try to make use of this exercise, try to get more from it. Okay, ready? Let's go to the starting position. So legs far apart, and lower. Hands on the sides. Get ready and move your arms up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we'll do this for 2 sets or 16 counts. 7, 8, 8. Try to get lower this time. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, hold the position and go up slowly. Okay, that's it. Another good exercise for women is sana yung intervals na tinatawag nila. Intervals is try to do things in a high intensity, short periods, pero paulit-ulit, or interval manners. For example, running. Running is a good way to do intervals. When you run, you could do you run fast for let's say 1 minute, and then relax ka muna for another minute, and then run ka ulit very high, very fast for 1 minute, and then relax again. So if you try to do that, parang interval training, you try to do that 5 times. But make sure it would be high intensity and short bursts. Okay, so yan yung tinatawag na interval training. For interval trainings, there are a lot of variations. So you could do running, you could go with the bike or elliptical, you could even go for just a short walk, yung brisk walk mo biglain, or you could do jogging in place kung medyo ayaw mo na lumabas pa ng bahay. So yun yung mga intervals na pwede natin gawin. Okay, for our next exercise, we would be needing a few equipments, or this is what we call yung tricep extensions. For tricep, ito yung sa arms naman natin. So again, for women, medyo concerned tayo sa mga braso natin. Para, lalo na pag nagpa-picture, like si mama, yung gusto nyo medyo nakatago yung braso. So itong exercise is parang makakatulong, parang hindi nyo kailangan tago. Proud siya when you go with the picture. So we try to get weights to do this. If you don't have weights, kahit yung a bottle of mineral water or some weights that you could get inside your house. So let's get a few weights. So again, kahit you don't need to buy or you go to the gym. So if you have a mineral water in a bottle, so that would help. And kung something that you could grasp on your arm. Pag malaki, maganda sana because malaki yung weight, pero baka mahirap naman hawakan. So as small as this, yung 50 ml I think would do. So for tricep extensions, what we do is hands on the side, you bend your knees, yung left foot mo muna forward, and then your right foot at the back. And ito, extend yung arms ninyo at the back. And then move sa front, bend your arms lang, and then extend, and then bend your arms, extend. And notice when you extend, nagko-contract itong muscle na to, the triceps. So that's very good for yung mga braso natin. Okay, so we do this for 2 sets or 16 counts. Then on the right and next to the left arm natin. Okay, ready? So starting position, we bend, body forward, and then raise our legs up high. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, try to extend your arms. Okay, try to put it a bit higher talaga para ma-feel niyo yung contraction. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now we move to the other side. So let's turn and face the right side, and then yung left arm naman natin ngayon. We'll be lifting yung weights natin. So you could have weights or just a simple mineral water. Okay, body forward. Okay, you can breathe a little. And then extend your arms. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, extend your arms talaga. Put it a bit higher. Okay, feel the contraction. Okay, there. That's nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, that's a good workout. So as you can see, kahit simple bagay lang sa bahay, we could use it. You don't need to buy expensive equipment. So we could put this aside muna. Thank you very much. And our next exercise, this one, higa ulit tayo. So we need the mat again for this exercise, and we call it the bridge. And I think you've seen this in our previous episodes also. And again, this is very good for women. So for the bridge, we lie down. Okay, you take your mat, lie down, and then for the bridge, we lift our hips up. Okay, ganun. So make it straight or slanted yung katawan nyo. And the good thing about this, it helps yung buttocks ninyo. Again, for the women, buttocks is another crucial word. So then back in the starting position, and then up again, and then back. Okay, we'll do this in 2 sets or 16 counts. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, medyo gentle lang yung pag-akyat natin, yung pagbaba. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's relax for a while, sit down. And again, the benefits of exercise, one of it would be to manage weight. So we have weight problems, especially ngayon na parang ang dali magpataba, di ba? So exercise helps us control our weight and also aids in digestion. So mas maganda yung flow ng digestive tract natin once we do exercise regularly. And also, it improves yung balance ng katawan natin. So we'll do more exercises regarding balance. And we will show you on our next exercise. So I'm gonna show you yung Superman exercise. There are 2 variations for this one. But I'm gonna show you yung easy na exercise lang muna or easy na counterpart niya. And ito yung gagawin natin for this episode. And the next one, I'll try to demo it. It's a bit harder, but kung kaya nyo na, much better na yun yung gawin nyo. For the Superman exercise, we just put all of our hands and knees on the floor. Then extend yung left hand ninyo. And then yung right leg. So yan yung extension natin. And try to maintain yung balance niyo while doing this exercise. And we do this exercise for 2 sets or 16 counts. Okay, so ready, girls? And then ganun din, opposite tayo in the next one. And after that, I'll show you the other variation. Okay, now ready for the position? So left hand, extend. And then yung right leg, extend. And in 5 counts, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And remember, try to maintain your balance. If you can see yung core nyo, yung talagang nagtatrabaho dito, a lot of your ab muscles are really working hard to maintain your balance. 2 and 1. Okay, again, yung what do you call this? Right hand naman natin extend, and then yung left leg. Okay, ready? Position. Extend your right arms and your left leg. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So there. Okay, we'll try to do some cool down exercises to end our routines. So we all stand up. Okay, legs a bit apart, and we do breathing exercises. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and that's it. Inhale, exhale. Now, if you know other cool down exercises, that will be good also. You could continue doing that. And sana ay nakatulong uli kami sa inyo sa mga exercises na ginawa natin sa episode na ito. But before we end, we try to turn you over to our resident physical therapist na si Sir Elazar Katangay for more of his advices.
Kung matatandaan niyo po mga kaibigan, pinag-usapan natin ang kahalagahan ng exercise sa mga kalalakihan. Ito po ay mahalaga din sa mga kababaihan sapagkat ang resulta ng magandang pag-exercise ay kapwa mahalaga sa lalaki at sa babae. Ang pagkakaiba nga lang ay ang mga babae at mga lalaki ay may kanya-kanyang mga responsibilidad na ginagampanan at magkakaiba ang mga demand sa kanilang buhay. Sa mga babae, mapapansin natin na sila ang laging busy sa ating mga tahanan, naghahanda ng pagkain, sila ay may mga responsibilidad din sa ating society, sa ating church, sa mga iba't ibang organisasyon. Kaya kinakailangan na mapanatili nila na nasa top shape ang kanilang mga pangangatawan. Sapagkat pag sila ay nagkasakit, naku, marami po ang maapektuhan. Sa mga panahong ito, maraming mga sakit ang usong-uso. Kaya pag nanghina ang iyong katawan, ay mararatay ka sa hospital na alam natin, magastos ang mga hospital. Kaya kinakailangan natin na mapanatili ang ating kalakasan, ang ating mga pangangatawan na nasa tamang kalakasan. Marami po sa mga kababaihan ang lagi nag-gym. Marahil gusto nilang mapanatili ang magandang hubog ng kanilang mga katawan. Sino ba naman ang aayaw ng maganda ang iyong katawan? Pleasing to the eyes. Magiging inspirasyon ito sa ating pamilya, sa ating mga kaibigan. Ang iba naman, kaya nag-e-exercise, kahit na hindi masyadong kagandahan ang kanilang katawan, ito ay upang magkaroon ng malakas at healthy, maiwasan ang mga pagkakasakit. Marami pong paraan kung paano tayo makakapag-exercise, lalo na sa ating mga kababaihan. Very common po yung walking. Sa walking exercise, walang masyadong gastos. Maglalakad ka lang, na mas mataas ang intensity kaysa sa ikaw ay basta lang namamasyal. Ang iba naman, nagja-jogging. Nakaka-enjoy po ang jogging lalo na kung marami kang kasama. Meron namang mga nag-i-engage sa badminton. Nag-i-enjoy ka na, nakakapag-exercise ka pa at nakakaiwas ka pa sa mga sakit na maaaring dumapo sa inyo. Kaya, kung atin pong iisipin, maraming pamamaraan para sa isang babae na mapanatili ang kanyang katawan na malakas sa pamamagitan ng pag-exercise. Tatandaan lang po natin mga kaibigan sa ating pag-exercise, huwag natin pipigilan yung ating paghinga. Tuloy-tuloy lang para maganda ang daloy ng oxygen sa ating katawan. Ito po muli ang inyong kaibigan, Eli Katangay, dito sa Healthy Morning Start. Back to you, Gino.
Ayan! And thank you so much, sir, for your advices. Marami na naman natutunan ang ating manonood sa episode na ito. But before we end this program, we'll all pause for a short prayer. Let us pray. Our loving Father in heaven, we thank you, dear Lord, for all the many blessings that we receive. We thank you, dear Lord, for the women that you give us in the community who have been very helpful in your mission. So we hope, dear Lord, that these exercises we give to them will continue to strengthen them and make them more prepared in their body as these women continue to serve you. We also pray, dear Lord, for the rest of the men and the women and their children, that we continue to work together to further your mission through the use of our bodies. Thank you, dear Lord, for hearing and answering our prayers, and this we all ask through Christ our Lord. Amen. Patuloy po kayong tumutok sa ating programa, and you will definitely learn not only to develop your body, but also to improve your health. Dito pa rin where we start our day the good way. Healthy Morning Start!
It takes a global network to be in touch with planet Earth's global community. Hope Channel broadcasts everywhere in the world with 10 global channels and is affiliated with more than 50 production studios on 6 continents. Hope Channel provides a diverse cultural programming mix in many of the world's major languages. Hope is more than great television. Welcome to Hope Channel.
It is sobering to realize that not everyone who suffers the effects of alcohol actually chooses to do so. I call them those with no voice and also no choice, the unborn babies. Alcohol readily crosses the placenta and damages the unborn baby. The higher the dose of alcohol consumed during pregnancy, the greater the chance of fetal alcohol syndrome occurring. The central nervous system features of this condition include mental retardation, low intelligence, smaller head size, and hyperactivity. The physical features include retarded body growth rate, short nose, wide-set eyes, small cheekbones. Eye squint and damage to the optic nerves occur commonly. Sadly, fetal alcohol syndrome is the leading cause of mental retardation in many countries. There is no safe dosage of alcohol during pregnancy. Avoid problems and break the habit.
Hope broadcasts everywhere in the world with 10 global channels and is affiliated with more than 50 production studios on 6 continents. The result? Hope Channel provides a diverse programming mix in many of the world's major languages. Hope is more than great television. It's a donor-supported ministry that's part of an international family of educational institutions, churches, retail outlets and hospitals. Welcome to Hope Channel. Hope Channel viewers are loyal, encouraging friends and neighbors to watch. Why? Our viewers believe that Hope Channel not only enhances living, but changes lives through its compelling lineup of programs. Documentaries take subscribers around the world and back through time, visiting places where history was made. Fascinating biographies open up the lives and times of people who made a difference. Travel programs transport the viewer around the world, demonstrating how people work together to make a better planet. Inspirational programming challenges viewers to experience the joy of discovering faith values and offer spirituality as an important part of a balanced lifestyle. Health and lifestyle programs teach disease prevention and make healthy living simple and attractive. Hope Channel programs provide invaluable support for developing healthy relationships and strong communities. Welcome to donor-supported Hope Channel. You're watching Hope Channel. Around the world.